before I let you
This what the future sound like.
turn around and shuffle to the left, let's slide up and down, 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 drop it down.
What's up, y'all? My name is Farrah. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am serving you soft glam. You know, there's been a lot of talk about it on Twitter, so I decided let me do mine because this is me, okay? This is me. This is my origin. You know, I've been doing dramatic looks all the time, but like, you know, there's nothing like home. Okay, so really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please remember to continue watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get started. So I like to use two primers. I like to use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Primer and my Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. This combination right here, baby, makes it last all day and I don't look crazy. So I'm just gonna take about that amount. Let me see if y'all can see that. Yeah, about that amount. I'm just going to put it on. Okay, so next I'm going to do we're gonna jump into the eyes. I'm just doing a regular matte cut crease. I'm priming my eyes with the same C12.5 concealer, and I'm blending it out with my Morphe M173 brush. That's what it's called? Yep. To start off, I'm going to be taking my It's My Rare by BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Universal. Yeah. And I'm just gonna dust that right up above my crease. Next, I'm gonna take this fluffy brush from my Amazon brush set, and I'm gonna go into the shade Contour. I'm just gonna apply that in my crease. Windshield wiper motions, and then swirling it out in the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take this angled fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the shade I'm going to go into the shade Spice, and then just pop it in the outer corner to give it a sense of warmth, and then drag it halfway into my crease. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade. Yeah, I'm going to go into the shade Rich. And I'm just going to pop that in my crease just to deepen it. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M330 brush, not adding any product, and I'm just going to use that to make sure all the shades are blended seamlessly. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M222 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Brunette. And then that's going to be the last color that we use. I'm going to pack it in the outer corner. Or the last dark color that we use. Pack it in the outer corner, and then drag it into the crease just to deepen it a tad bit more. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and for that I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer Define Full Cover Concealer in the shade C12 this time. It's going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. So I'm going to go into my Morphe 39A palette, and I'm taking this flat shader brush. I'm going to go into the shade Canvas. Yeah. Go into the shade Canvas, and then just pop that everywhere I cut. Now we're gonna jump into lashes, and these are the lashes I'll be using today. They're from AliExpress in the style R09. Very cute, very fluttery. Not too dramatic, but it gives a little bit of va-va-voom if need be, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna pop these on. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shades 430 and 450. So I'm gonna start off with 450 first. I'm just taking this flat top stippling brush and I'm just going to buff that in, dragging it down my neck. So for concealer, I'm going to be using two. I'm going to be taking my NARS Creamy Radiant in the shade Amande and my Makeup Revolution Concealer Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12.5. So I'm going to start off with my NARS first. And then what I like to do is kind of like a upside down L. Is it upside down? How would it look? Pretend it's like, what is it called? Turned. 90 degrees to the left. No, to the right. There we go. Then I'm going to take my C12.5 concealer. Making sure I get some product because I'm running out. And I'm just going to put a little bit right in the middle. Down the bridge of my nose like so. And a little bit above my lip. I don't have hair there, but I just like how it looks. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender to blend that out because it's pointy so it can get right where I need it to be. But before I do that, I like to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now I'm going to contour, and for that I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to put it, like I already have like a natural kind of contour right here, you see it? So I'm going to just put one there, put one there, my jawline. And a little bit digits on my nose. And then to blend that out, I'm going to be taking my angled buffing brush. Actually, no. I'm going to take this brush because I like how it looked to blend out my contour. I'm going to be taking my Sephora Mini Angled Blush brush to blend it out. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier concoction and my Miracle Complexion Sponge from Real Techniques. I'm going to pat my sponge in it, in the powder, dab off the excess, and then punch it under my eye. Bringing it up to where I contoured. Now I'm going to set my contour, and for that I'm going to be taking my It's My Area by BH Cosmetics, the first palette, and I'm going to take my It's My Area by BH Cosmetics number 3 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Brownie Bite. And what I like to do is I like to just deepen the contour right here. I don't bring it all the way in. Just like that, you see? Darker. I mean, it's like a bit more deep. And then I like to tap off the excess and then simply pat everywhere else, like contoured. Alright, so to sweep away the excess powder, I'm taking my Editorial by Beach Cosmetics number 4 brush. So for a little bit of warmth, I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy and applying that with my Editorial by Beach Cosmetics number 1 powder brush. For blush, I'm going to be using 2 shades, a combination of both. They're both from Black Radiance. One is in Toasted Almond and the other one is Warm Berry. And to apply it, I'm just using my Editorial by Beach Cosmetics number 2 brush. So for highlighter, I'm going into my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, the medium to dark version, and I'm going to go into this highlight because I've never used. I swatched it last night. This low-key signature, so that's what I'm going to use. And to apply it, I'm taking another Editorial by Beach Cosmetics brush, but it's the number 5 brush. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M149 brush, going into shade Rich, and I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. I'm going to take this pencil brush from my Amazon brush set, and then I'm going to go into the shade Spice and just run that under. So next I'm going to jump into lips, and for that, taking my usual, guys, you already know, my Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. Taking my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow, I'm gonna apply a little bit in the center of my lips. Set my face lightly. I'm gonna use 2. We're using my NYX Matte Finish setting spray. So wait, let me just spray it first out there. And then I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And then taking my body sponge, pressing it in. Alright, and this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time for Vlogmas, okay? Taking a break, you know? Creating content for y'all and all that fun stuff, okay? Bye!
Before I let you